Welcome back to BK42 channel. Today we'll unbox and set up this beast of an e-bike, the Duotts S26 electric mountain bike. Let's crack open this box. First things first, set the saddle and the box of extra bits and bobs aside. This bad boy is a big bike, so if you're flying solo, definitely take my advice and slide it out horizontally like shown here. Don't forget to grab the battery and any other loose bits out of the box too. Alright, next we gotta ditch all the cable ties and set the front wheel aside for now. Peek open the accessory box and you'll find your display, pedals, tools, reflectors, even more tools, some extra zip ties, and the user manual. Let's get this party started. We'll begin by aligning the stem, that's the bit that holds the handlebars, and loosen the bolts with the little 4mm hex. Pop off the top cap. Carefully bring the handlebars into place, making sure those cables aren't all twisted up. Slot the top cap back on and tighten those 4 screws back up. Now, we gotta swap out that temporary axle. Grab the 16mm wrench and take that out. Prep the front wheel by removing the 2 nuts and spacers. Flip the bike upside down, be careful, and slide the front wheel into the front fork. Don't forget the locking washer. Tighten the nuts with the 18mm wrench. Next, we gotta connect the front motor cable. See those 2 arrows? Line them up and snap them together. Use a zip tie to keep that cable nice and secure, and snip off any excess. Don't forget to pop on those nut covers. Alright, let's make sure that front wheel is nice and straight. Tighten those 3 screws firmly to keep it all secure. Now, for the mudguards, assemble both the front and rear ones by fixing those 2 top bolts in place. We gotta swap out a screw though. Grab your 10mm wrench and the 5mm hex key for this bit. Take off the front screw, then slot the headlight in front of the fork, with the mudguard behind it. Tighten that bolt back up and connect the cable carefully. Moving on to the seat post, release the clamp and slide your seat into place. Tighten the bolt if needed, just like shown here in the video. Pedal time. The one marked L goes on the left side, so screw it on by hand, counterclockwise, then tighten it up with the 16mm wrench. Repeat for the right side, but obviously go clockwise this time. R is your friend here. Alright, almost there. Use the 4mm hex key to remove the 4 bolts to install the rear rack. Slot it into place and tighten those screws back up. Now, for the rear mudguard, take out the screw from the rear fork, place the mudguard in position, and tighten the screw back up with the 4mm hex key. Don't forget to connect the rear light cable and secure it with some zip ties. Last but not least, pop the display into the handlebar using the 3mm hex key. Tighten those screws and secure the control on the left side of the handlebar with the 2mm hex key. Tidy up all those cables with the zip ties they give you. We're done. Almost. Slide the battery in its spot and lock it up with the key. Alright, quick safety check. Make sure everything works. All the cables are connected properly, and don't forget to pump up those tires. And there you have it. the Duotts S26 is ready to roll. Gear up, stay safe, and have a blast out there.